It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. We've got normal, sport, and off-road mode. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we have our cruise control buttons, and on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrows on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And we've also got that hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports and power plug-ins. And to the left here we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the button while holding the brake down to start the vehicle. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, heated side mirrors, rear tinted windows, Elevation badging down the side. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 OffRoad package. That means this truck has dual exhaust, all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, and a high-capacity air filter. We also have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that step down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we have seat pockets. And on the back of the center console, we have 2 cup holders, the rear fans, some USB and USB-C plug-ins, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.